Welcome back to the KashyapTechITBrothers. This is the 15th part of the tutorial of SSIS. So basically in this tutorial we will going to see the creating the SSIS package and about the multicast. So first we will see the about the multicast definition, like we use SSIS multicast transformation to create the multiple copies of input data. Suppose we require multiple copies of input data in a txt, csv and sql table format. We can use these multiple copies of the data for a different transformation. Suppose you receive stock transformation for your client in CSV format. You upload the data in the database and do the calculation for your client depending upon the multiple scenario. You can use SSIS multicast transformation to prepare similar copy of data using SSIS. We do not need any programming or development. Okay, so let's see one sample example about like how to create the SSIS package for by using the multicast. So first of all, you have to create one project. So click on the file and project, then click on the integration, next. So SSIS multicast project. So click on the create and save. Okay, then rename the package is already created. I will rename this as a multicast because we are uh, learning about the multicast components. So it's multicast. So before going to the transformation, we have to take the one data flow task from the toolbox. So yeah, that's it. Then double click on this, then you will see the window of data flow. Now we have to take the source. So source, I will select database, like my database name is computer name. So I will copy that one and paste it here, then select the database, click on OK, then select the tables. So I have one tables, that is department. First let's see. So basically this is the table in my database, so which contain some of the data about the department. Then what I will do, I will uh, it's my source of data, so I will take the data from here and I will uh, transfer those data into this two table by using multicast table. Let's see. Let's drag and drop the multicast table from the toolbox. So you will see here multicast. You can see the definition also distribute every input row to every row in one or more output. Okay, so let's take it, merge it. I'm connected now with the precedence. Now let's take two destination from sorry, I'm taking the source, take the destination. Yeah, so I have a connection. I will click on, and this is first and this is second one. Okay, so I will connect both of them by precedence. Okay, then configure this by selecting the table, like my first table is output first. Map the tables, here it is mapped, click on OK. Now second one, map the table. Okay, select the table second, then map the table columns. Okay, yeah, it's connected now, all the package, all the components, and it's look good. Now we are ready to run the package to see if the data is transferred into the these two table or not. Let and see, you can see here there is a no data in those tables. So let's run the package from by clicking on the start. Yep, you can see here uh, the data, like we have received from the sources is 16 rows, and the multicast, what multicast it is doing, it's distributing the those data into two different destination, like 16 rows here and 16 rows here. in a destination table second. Okay, so it means let's see it in database as well. Yeah, so we have received uh, both the data, like from the source to the both the table into you can see it's here 16 rows, and also in this table we have a 16 rows data. Okay, so by using multicast, basically you can transfer many data, like from source to the multiple table, multiple destination, like it can be anything like CSV, SQL, Oracle, Excel, anything, like you can connect anything, like suppose I'm dragon like that, like you can connect here as well. If you click merge, then you can do no. So here we require condition and all the things. Then you can do the lookup as well by doing the lookup. Okay, so basically it can be source, it's a single, and single data source. You can uh, like populate the data into multiple destination. There is another way as well, like you can take the data as a and remove the multicast, and you can share the data from one source to destination, but you have to make the multiples transformation in a data flow task. So it's a better than you can use multicast instance of this. Okay, so that's it. If you have any feedback and doubt, then please let me know, and thank you so much.